Hello friends, welcome to the session. In last session, we learned about higher order array functions in JavaScript, and in this session we will learn about event handling in JavaScript. So this is the code for demonstrating the rendering of arrays. So let's get rid of this, and for now I will make one button here. So I will right click me in the button. I will delete this array as well, and for now it should look like this. Click me and nothing else. So let's add a event here called on click. So normally in JavaScript this on click is like this, but in JSX we write this C capital, and this will be our on click event for this button. And there are many event and that depend on the HTML tags used. So button have one on click event, and in on click event we will pass the reference of certain functions. So let's make a function here, and I will make handle click, and this function will log I am clicked for now. So inside this on click I will pass this dot handle click. Now it should work fine. So let's see. I will open the console, and when I click this and it is showing I am clicked, so it is getting clicked. So our on click event is getting handled by this handle click function. So some things to remember while doing this event handling is we should not directly call the function here. If we call it, let's see what happens. So when the component get rendered, see, let's see, I will show you again. When the component get rendered, see, I am clicked is called. That means when this component mount, it automatically run this handle click, but we don't need to run this automatically whenever the component mount, because we are clicking this only when this button get clicked. So we will only pass a reference to the function here. So let's see, now it is not getting clicked on mount. So this is one thing to remember. And another thing is sometime you will see using like this as well. So what this does is it make another function which will click this function, which will run this function. So it is just a arrow function, small arrow function defined, and this is also a reference to one another function that is created here. So this should also work fine. So let's see how it works. So nothing in the console initially, and when I click it, it run I am clicked. So these two methods can be used to pass in the reference of the function for the event. So there are more events as well, like a form tag have on submit event, on submit on submit event, and on submit event, and input field have on change event. So this all JavaScript event can be handled in React in this way. So this is what we call event handling. And for now, in this session, we will end our event handling here, and in next video we will learn about outputting dynamic content using onChange event. So thank you for watching.